Hello guys, right, we are back now. Like I said, we got Mercedes GLC 2017. We had a problem with the tire, and after fixing, we pulled the correct tire pressure. Now we're gonna go ahead and perform a reset tire pressure light on the Mercedes. So as you can see, concentrate on the yellow and whatever we can see on the dashboard there. Tire pressure check tire. Right, so let's go and perform a reset. First, what you need to go is go here on home in your steering, press home, go OK, scroll down, scrolling down, just press that, scrolling down, right, then you can see service on the dashboard, then press OK, yeah, press OK. We got a message, and that message is the tire pressure, right? Then we scroll down, keep using that, scroll down to tire pressure, then press OK, right, and scroll down again, right, and show you confirm we OK. Yeah, look at that. Then press, then have a look what's gonna happen to the yellow sign. Let's go. It's gone. Yeah, so now we did a proper reset now. Thank you for watching.